Do what you love. Do what you like to do. Do what you're successful at. Do the things that make you happy. And just live, bruh. Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy, the Only Carter. How are we feeling today? How are we living? How are y'all doing today? That's the real question. How are y'all feeling today on this Tuesday? Hopefully y'all doing well. As y'all boys can see, we got another video today. We're gonna be driving with the 2025 Toyota Camry like usual, boys. As y'all can see, 35 and 36, about to go home soon. And we are here at the Ocean View. Out here, look on this cloudy, moody day. It's kind of ugly outside. Looks really cold. It's actually pretty cold today, and I'm not gonna lie. But as y'all can see, we got the 2025 Toyota Camry right here, black edition. SE. See the rim's still cool. I did just drive over sand, but that's pretty much it. But here's a goodie. So here's the plan for today. We're gonna do a POV drive. We're gonna drive around the pier. I'm gonna probably get some food. Don't know where I'm gonna go yet, but y'all gonna see that. And then we probably just gonna chill and end it. It's a chill little Tuesday. After this video, I'm gonna start changing my niche. I'm gonna branch out, do different things. Once I get that other battery, I'm gonna get a different battery or another battery for my GoPro, because these GoPros die pretty quick. That's the one thing about these GoPros. I have a GoPro Hero 11, so that's the thing. So once I get the extra battery, we're gonna be straight. We're gonna expand the content. Everything gonna go well, and I'm excited. Also, I do want to say, do a series. I'm gonna start a series, go around, talk to people, like with their cars, because I'm very passionate about cars. I love cars. Always been a fan. You know, if you ever seen the Cars movie, the little Pixar movie, that's tough. That's top tier, bro. That's a top tier movie, gang. If y'all not hip, gang, y'all gotta tap in. But further ado, let's hop into this video. Make sure you guys do subscribe. It does take 10 seconds to subscribe. Even if you're watching my content and you love the POVs and you love the Only Carter, make sure you sub. All right, let's hop into a game. So it's 3 o'clock. You see the steering wheel, SRT. That was the Rango. Okay, it's going. All right. I don't know what I'm gonna eat today, but we're gonna chill. But yeah, we're on good pace. We're on good track. We're just gonna chill and vibe. Y'all just come with me and chill. It's on this gloomy little day. I thought it would be a little warmer, like a little more sun outside, but it's because it's not, so it's all right. These are some nice beach homes, I'm not gonna lie. It's just the weather outside. If it was warm and sunny, it would look a lot better. All I see is gray and black. I don't know if y'all can see that. Oh, those potholes, man. I haven't heard from my boy Oasis in a while. Hopefully he's doing well. Oh, it's been a while, man. I'm just gonna take these back roads real quick. Looks like I'm in a, I would say an abandoned town if it wasn't light outside. These are just little beach homes. God, mud. God, what is that? There's somebody's house. That's crazy. Pink little house, mud. Yo, just for trolls, I'm gonna get black gloves. Think I'm a little NASCAR racer, you know what I'm saying? Ooh, that traffic back is gonna be OC. I might have to take the other way. Back home, like later. I just got my back left tire, what, last week and a half ago? Patched up. But dang, bro. Yeah, let me not take these roads again. Just wanted to switch it up. Yeah, the plan is start a series, do more reviews. Once it gets warmer outside, the better content it is. Now it's just like a little gloomy, it's just like a little sad. My content has been the same for a little while now, but we're gonna get back and rolling, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just trying to really just expand everything, like go big live. Like, cause we're already monetized, I'm saying. After 6 months of hard work, dedication, we're just gonna have to hit harder, you know what I'm saying, boys? Because we're not gonna be here for a while. Like, we're not immortal, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm about to slide on some eats real quick, about to get a light snack, and then we gonna work, and then we gonna chill. And then next video is gonna be back home. I'm gonna run up some good content. I'm gonna try to get 5-6 videos when I'm for break. We're gonna be chilling. Yes, sir. I'm excited, boys. Oh my God, Mud D. Mud C. Oh, I like it over here. It's vibey, it's calm. Just a lot of work sites over here, food places, but nothing too much, bro. What's going on, gang? I've been going with this Dodge for a minute. Oh my, that was a crazy dip. That launch was kind of bad, I ain't gonna lie. Understand people can't come with me. I've been over here like one time. My pizza's pretty good. Actually, I heard people talk about it. I heard reviews. But I've never tried it myself. My bad. Oh, that's a sweet Cybertruck wrap. I ain't going. My God, money.
Captain name to order?
Carter.
How many serve you there?
Can I do an 8 count? Can the fry be large, please? And then can I get an additional large fry?
Of course. What kind of drink can I get for you?
I'll do a cookies and cream shake, no cherry.
Is what cream okay?
Yeah, that's cool.
All right. Any sauces for you?
No, sir.
All right.
In and out, in and out, in and out. You know what I'm saying, boys? That's my go-to meal. I know that might sound big, 2 large fries, but hey, you know what I'm saying? Yes, yeah. By chance, sir, can I get sanitized wipes?
Yeah, I got you.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm excited. It's gonna be good. You have a great one, man.
Yes, sir, you too.
Thank you. Hey, I like it over here. It's cool. It's calm. It's just relaxing. You know what I'm saying? I can do some work out here. Actually, yeah, I actually could do some work out here. Sweet. Can't. Oh, buddy. But yeah, oh look, there's sweet Bentley over there. If y'all did enjoy this video, make sure you guys subscribe. Let's hit to that 2,000 real quick. See that black Bentley over there? That's sweet. Gotta sleep in though, it's crazy. But yeah, make sure you guys do subscribe. I love you guys. The next time I will see you guys, I will see y'all in the big OH. If you know what that is, you know. Look at all these people. Just NPCs, man. That Chrysler's sweet though. Could black it out though. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna see y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe.